Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bayou Blue local and long-distance movers near me. When looking for a long-distance moving company, it's essential to consider more than price. After all, you don't want to make a move that involves your most precious possessions only to find that the company you chose is untrustworthy. The lowest costs are not synonymous with the highest quality. 3 Movers is one such company. We know that your belongings are valuable to you, and we understand how important it is to make sure they get to their intended destination safely. You could save money by making your arrangements for moving services, but if you are short of time and energy, consider calling 3 Movers to help with sorting, packing, loading, transferring to the new home, unloading, and even unpacking. We are highly experienced in local moves within a radius of 50 miles in Alexandria, Louisiana. 3 Movers will transfer your belongings to the final destination with care and without any damage. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bayou Blue moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.